Hello, it's Mark, and today we're going to do a review on this Tommee Tippee machine, which is actually over 3 years old. Now, this is available in white or black, and obviously this is the white version. Now, before we got this machine, we used to, have those little bottles by the side of the bed where they have a little bit of water in, and then you've got to wait for them to, boil the water, and it just took forever. Once we got this, it's just unbelievable, and it really is. So when you buy this, you get the machine like this, you get the instructions, and then you also get the filters that come with this. So it's literally a case of lift it out of the box, plug it in, put in your filter and add water. Now down here on the right hand side, you can see we've got these 4 different tiles down here. Now basically, whenever any of these are red or flashing red, that means there is an issue or a problem which you need to solve. So you can see here, it's saying we're out of water, so it's currently on red. So really simple, I'll just take the lid off here, like so, and then I'm just going to pour some water in, and you'll see down here, this will go off. There you go. So okay, so I've just poured the water in and it's now turned off. Now this over here is flashing because this is the filter light. Now the cool thing about this is, even if you need to replace the filter, it will still work. Okay, so I'll just show you this now. So here at the bottom, this is where your filter goes, and my filter actually went this morning, so I've just ordered a new one. But literally, once you've got your filter in, then this will go off. This one down here, this setting means if it's got too hot, so basically in the summer, this used to come on now and again, so we used to have to just remove it out of the sun. And then this down here is when we've got to calibrate it, so when we put it through like a cleaning cycle. And then this down here, and then this down here is just the cleaning element as well. But basically, it's really simple, okay? So you put in your water, and then on the top, you can choose whether you want this in 4, 5, 6, however many ounces you want, basically. So I've just put it on to 4, and I've got the bottle on here, put it on, and we press the button 1 time. And then what happens is, you'll start to see some steam come out of it and hear it boiling. And basically what it's doing here is it's going to give me the perfect amount of hot water before it tops it up with cold, and literally once it's done, it's ready to go. So all you do is you just wait for this to finish. Then what happens here is, now you go ahead and you'd get your milk like so, and you'd put in your, however many ounces you want it in there. And then once you're done with it, you just press this again, and it then turns to green on the top, and then it just fills it up. So now what's going in here now is actually cold water, okay? So the first part is boiling water, the second part is cold, I'd say lukewarm water, and it just goes in like so. And then basically, once it's done, it's just a case of put on the bottle lid, give it a shake, and you can literally use it straight away. It's not like the old bottle warmers where you're waiting around for it. And that's it, done. So the perfect amount in there, so it's 4 ounces, as you can see, with our powder in there, and you can literally just put your milk, you can put your lid straight on and then give it to your baby. It is an awesome machine, and it's worth every penny.